ऑटोमेटिकली ये गली क्रिकेट खेलते खेलते ना मेरा क्रिकेट अपने आप इम्प्रूव होने लगा. यू नेवर नो व्हाट्स इन स्टोर फॉर यू. When I used to go by train and watch Wankhede Stadium on the right side of the train, I always used to make sure that I get the window seat on the right side of the train because that is where the Wankhede Stadium was. So you had to fight for that seat.
So Rohit, शुरुआत करताना first question has to be about what is happening with Team India. Boys and girls in blue हर जगह धूम मचा रहे हैं. They are winning all the ICC tournaments, really redefining the game of cricket. काय आहे secret या मागचं?
Good evening, everyone. There's no secret to success. It's all about hard work. The international cricketers from men's and women's cricket team, they worked really hard for all these years to achieve what they have achieved today. And of course, it's just not the players who perform on the field, but there's so many people behind the scene as well who have put in so much hard work into that success so that, you know, the team can find some success. So lot of people, lot of personnel you got to give credit to. So if I start thanking each one of them, we will be here till morning. But yeah, look, I'm very happy, very proud to see what we've been seeing for the last, couple of years now. To come out with flying colors and achieve what we have achieved, not just men's team but also women's team winning that World Cup in Mumbai was fantastic to watch. And then recently now the men's cricket team in T20 World Cup, what they did was phenomenal to watch. And I hope this is just a start. There's no looking back from here, because once you get that momentum, and we often talk about momentum in cricket, now the team, both men's and women's team, have the momentum. All I hope is that we carry this momentum forward.
Talking of Team India and blue colors, something about Mumbai cricket. Because if we talk these two World Cups, Surya Kumar, Shivam, we of course have Jemima as well. What is it? What is it that gives the Mumbaikars an edge over the others?
No, I don't believe there's edge. When players are picked to play for the national teams, there's a reason they've been picked, because you see there's so much competition in our country when you talk about cricket, and really right from under 19s, under 14s, you've got to be lucky. Of course, you need talent to find success, but you also got to be lucky, be at the right time, at the right place for people to notice you, because that is what I believe. Sometimes you can be as talented as you can, but if people are not watching you, then you can be slightly unlucky. So I think you got to be lucky as well, but at the same time, there is no substitute to hard work. Of course, without hard work, there is no success. That's what I believe, and that is something that, not just the Mumbaikars, but also the players who are representing the country, they're going through this tough grind through the year, to find success. So yeah, but very happy with how Mumbai cricket is shaping up as well. Not just in the IPL team, but also what the T20 Mumbai has done for a lot of young cricketers. We saw so many cricketers who played the T20 Mumbai now have gone on to play for one of the IPL teams, and then of course the national team as well. So it's a big platform without a doubt, and I'm pretty sure guys who are going to play, they will realize and understand the importance of playing this format, because it's such a wonderful format. And I'm happy that we are doing this again after a successful last season. I was involved last season, and I saw it was a very tough task. Right after the IPL got over, monsoon just started. I got to give credit to each and every member of MCA, to pull that through, making the games happen. 3 games in a day, it's not easy. And also a big round of applause to all the groundsmen as well, to put their hand up and get the ground ready for the teams. So a lot of effort has gone in, which is why, when I said there's no substitute to hard work. So if you put in the work, the success is not guaranteed, but you can hope there will be success, and that's what we all hope for. You put in the hard work and leave rest up to the Almighty. And I'm pretty sure what we saw last year was just a beginning. This year, as we see, there's 3 new teams added, and plus 3 women's team as well. So it's getting bigger.
Couldn't agree with you more, Rohit, because you were really beautiful last year. You really mentored them wonderfully. They all look up to you, and seeing them all play in IPL teams and seeing them play in the national team really makes us all proud out here. I want to talk to you about there's a spirit of Mumbai, and then there is a spirit of Mumbai cricket. How would you describe it to those who have never seen it? I'm sure lots of people have seen it, but jinko nahi pata hai, how will you describe that to them?
Look, it's very tough to explain, but nothing in cricket comes easy, and nothing comes easy when you are a Mumbaikar. To get into Mumbai team, I know when I started playing, what I went through, but there's no complaint. I'm not complaining about it. That is what you have to do. You have to go through that grind. You have to, go through that tough period to see what we see today. So I know that somewhere down the line, these are the times which are testing times. But somehow, if you can manage to go through this with peace, there are brighter things ahead. Like we say, there is always the light after the tunnel. So that is what I was hoping for. The road wasn't easy, and that is what makes us such tough cricketers, especially coming from Mumbai. And also, if you look at the history of Mumbai, we won so many Ranji Trophy titles, even not just the senior men's cricket, but also our under 19, under 23s, under 14s as well. So these are the grinds that you have to go through, and that is what makes you tough character, tough cricketer, because when you're playing at the international stage, nothing comes easy. And those times that you have spent in your younger days, that is what makes you, really, really strong when you're battling the opposition at the international level. So, yeah, all in all, to keep it short, I think it's a nice journey that you have to go through. But once you go through that journey, you become a very, very complete cricketer, and that is something that I'm really proud of, my grind that I've had from my younger days to now.
Thank you, Rohit. T20 Mumbai happens once a year, and it gives young players the huge opportunity to grab the spotlight. In line with the Chand Sodu Nako, this spirit of the season, what would you like to tell them just before this wonderful tournament?
No, like the tagline says it all, because this is the time, and don't leave the opportunity, because you never know what's going to happen after. So when the opportunity arises, be ready for it. Prepare yourself in a way where when you are confronted with the challenges, the battles, you are ready for it. That is what I'll say to each one of them who are going to compete in this tournament, because I personally believed, and I still believe in that process of mine, which is to prepare really, really well and wait for the opportunity. And when the opportunity comes, you got to be ready for it. And that is something that I would like to pass on.
I know, Chand Sodu Nako.
Yep.
So, would you tell us something about looking back? What was that one Chand Sodu Nako moment?
There were many actually, because it's been such a long journey. So there have been so many times where there were times where this was the opportunity where I had to grab my opportunity, grab my chances, because after that I knew if I don't perform, there are so many guys waiting in line. So like that, there have been many instances. It's very hard to explain one instance, because I've had a career of nearly 20-25 years with Mumbai Cricket now. I'm talking about from under 14 days. So a lot of instances where there were times the selectors were watching, and if I missed that opportunity, I knew that I wouldn't be picked, I wouldn't be looked upon. So again, I would go back to, you know, the one thing that has made me the cricketer that I am, which is preparation, because that is very much in your control and you can prepare well and be confident about your preparation and then go and execute. And that is something that I always believed in. I still do that. So I don't see any reason why, you know, the guys who are just starting to play at under 10 or under 12 or under 14 level, they need to do something different.
I still remember when you had mentioned about the local train incident when you used to take the train and used to see the Wankhede Stadium.
Yeah.
And, you know, used to come for the practice. I was very touched by that moment. So I'm sure, like, so many young cricketers really listen to those stories and they get inspired.
Yeah, look, you never know what's in store for you. When I used to go by train and watch Wankhede Stadium on the right side of the train, I always used to make sure that I get the window seat on the right side of the train because that is where the Wankhede Stadium was. So you had to fight for that seat.
Chance Sodu Lako right there.
Correct. So if you ask me that time, would you have imagined something like this today? I would say no, obviously. So again, it's the same thing for any cricketer who's, you know, wanting to play, wanting to do well, that you never know what's in store for you. Like I remember clearly mentioning about it, it was so hard to get into Wankhede Stadium, and now to see a small little stand in your name.
Small.
It's not a small stand, Rohit.
I mean,
You're being modest.
No, obviously it's there. So that's what I mean. Like I never in my wildest dream I would have thought of it. But to see that there and play there, it's a different and surreal feeling.
We're talking of Mumbai cricket आणि मैदान क्रिकेट एवढं मोठं योगदान असतं. गोईंग बॅक टू चान्स सोडू नको मोमेंट. कधी असं वाटलं की एक कुठली तरी इनिंग शाळेत खेळताना किंवा नंतर खेळताना की ओके दिस इज वेअर आता हेच करायचं आहे वेन यू प्लेड ऑल अक्रॉस द मैदान्स मे बी दॅट 1 सेंचुरी ऑर दॅट 1 नॉक जेव्हा तुम्हाला वाटलं की ठीक आहे इथे हा चान्स आहे आणि हा चान्स मी घेतलाय?
नाही, असं भरपूर वेळ झालेलं की आमचं सिलेक्शन मॅचेस व्हायचं, षटकार ट्रॉफी, स्पोर्ट्स स्टार ट्रॉफी, आणि त्यावेळी लॉट ऑफ सिलेक्टर्स यूज टू कम अँड वॉच अस. अँड मला माहिती होतं की ते आमचं एकदम म्हणजे मुंबईसाठी खेळण्याचं हे एक अपॉर्च्युनिटी आहे. अंडर 16, अंडर 19, कारण की सिलेक्टर्स यूज टू वॉच अस प्ले अँड वॉच अस परफॉर्म. सो आय न्यू दॅट हे आमचं चान्स आहे आणि इकडे परफॉर्म नाही केलं तर यू हॅव टू वेट अनदर इयर टू गेट इन टू दिस षटकार अँड स्पोर्ट्स स्टार ट्रॉफी. सो म्हणजे त्यावेळी आम्ही रिअलाईज केलं की हे इम्पॉर्टंट किती आहे. आणि त्यावेळी म्हणजे यू आर about 14-15 years old, you don't know, you don't realize how big it is, how big it is going to be eventually. तर माझं पण असंच होतं. आम्ही त्यावेळी एवढं 14-15 वर्षाचं होते आम्ही आणि तिकडे त्यावेळी फक्त हे होतं की खेळताना गंमत करायचं आहे, इकडे तिकडे धावायचं आहे आणि ऑफकोर्स ॲट द सेम टाईम यू हॅव टू बॅट वेल, परफॉर्म, स्कोर रन्स, टेक विकेट्स. आय यूज टू bowl at that time, so I was an all-rounder. So my job was pretty much a lot. If I didn't perform with the bat, मला माहिती होतं की बॉलिंग येणार आहे, बॉलिंगमध्ये काहीतरी करायचं आहे तसं. तर असं जसं मी सांगितलं एवढं आम्ही क्रिकेट खेळलो आहे लहानपणापासून. तर लॉट ऑफ मोमेंट्स वेअर वी न्यू दॅट यू नो आय कॅनॉट टेक दिस फॉर ग्रांटेड ऑर आय कॅनॉट लीव दिस अपॉर्च्युनिटी.
एक महत्वाचं रोहित म्हणाले की एवढे संधी मिळाली म्हणजेच देयर सो मेनी चान्सेस प्रोव्हाइडेड ॲज ऑलवेज बाय द मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशन. सो कॅन यू हॅव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर द MCA अँड द काइंड ऑफ नंबर ऑफ टुर्नामेंट्स दॅट आर प्लेड अँड दस चान्स सोडू नको. रोहित, कमिंग बॅक टू T20 Mumbai, you have seen the T20 Mumbai League evolve. In this season, any particular players that you're looking forward to? Because many of them will play the IPL and immediately come here. Some are new, some are not there. So any particular players that you're looking forward to?
I won't take names because see, it's not fair because I feel you know everyone who's competing, I would want to watch them play and watch them go to the next level. So I would be looking forward to everyone, and I want as many cricketers as possible from Mumbai to go on to represent their country. So I would be watching everything and everyone because it'll be not fair for me to just name one or two individuals. I think a whole lot of players going and representing India from Mumbai would be really nice.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Good evening, everyone. I think it's a great initiative by MCA to, have a dedicated platform for women's cricket. And I would say we were all like eagerly waiting for this to happen since the season 1 in 2018. So glad that it's happening, and this is going to give a lot of opportunity to young girls coming up. And I'm sure everyone is really excited and looking forward to it.
Yeah, so are we. Rohit, what are your thoughts on the women joining the teams in this league?
Oh, absolutely, great move. I think what we saw with senior women's team WPL now for Mumbai to start this league, I'm pretty sure. Like I spoke about Mumbai, the men's team, the men's cricketer going on to representing the country. I'm pretty sure it's the same for women's cricket as well. Getting the opportunity is very, very important. And now that they have the opportunity, I'm pretty sure that we will see many players from Mumbai also representing India from this league.
साली, आप सोशल मीडिया के आपके पोस्ट जो होते हैं वहाँ पे हमेशा आप कहते हो कि God is kind. And looking at your Test debut and the WPL success this year, it's been a dream run. अब जब मुंबई की अपनी विमेंस लीग शुरू हो रही है, आपके सारे फैंस जो है उनके लिए क्या मैसेज होगा कि जब आप खेल रहे होते हैं और होने वाले हैं वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में, अब क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं फैंस से?
Yes, definitely God has been kind. So for fans, I would say there's no better feeling than playing in a packed stadium, and they're cheering for you, backing your team, wanting you to do well. So I would say, yeah, like they've supported the boys in MPL, Mumbai T20 League. So I'm sure they'll also fill the stadium for our games too. And I would hope that there is a lot of crowd for the game.
We're cheering you on, Saili. Don't worry about it. साइली, अगर आपको रोहित सर का एक क्वालिटी कुछ चुराने का मौका मिलता है T20 लीग के लिए, तो वो क्या होगा? प्लीज बताइए हमें.
In an ideal world, I would like to have all the qualities of him.
But it's not an ideal world.
Yeah, I mean, he's so passionate about the game, and of course, everyone knows his leadership skills are second to none. So, but if you ask me personally, his ability to hit sixes at will, no matter where he's playing or who the opponents are, he just makes it look so easy. Yeah,
absolutely. So many qualities. So, साइली और रोहित, आप दोनों असली मुंबईकर्स हैं और मुंबईकर्स के तो रग रग में खून की जगह क्रिकेट दौड़ता है. So let's go back to your early days, starting with you, Rohit. What was it like growing up as a cricketer in the great city where you have seen so many greats who have already played the game and then dreaming of playing in the same team and then making it bigger?
जब बचपन में खेलना शुरू किया था, मैं 8 या 9 साल का था, जब अपने दोस्तों के साथ अपने मोहल्ले में खेलता था, तभी किसी ने कुछ सोचा नहीं था. हम सिर्फ खेलते थे. स्कूल से आने के बाद हमको कैसे भी करके टाइम निकालना था शाम के 5-6 बजे तक, क्योंकि 6-7 बजे के बाद खाना खा के फिर थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई करके सो जाना है. एंड देन लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट डे. सो व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट हैविंग फन विद द बॉयज़. वो जो बैंटर होता है ना गली क्रिकेट, जब आप खेलते हो दोस्त आपस में, दोस्तों के साथ, दैट आई यूज्ड टू लव. एंड उसी में देन some days it used to be so intense कि यार नहीं, ये क्यों मेरे से अच्छा खेल रहा है, मेरे को इससे अच्छा खेलना है. तो that was our challenge, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड या साउथ अफ्रीका नहीं है. यू आर प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट योर बिल्डिंग फ्रेंड्स. सो कभी कभी ऐसे हो जाता था कि when you are playing and the other guy who's your friend and he seems to be doing better than you, तो ये आपको हमेशा, मतलब मुझे तो बहुत हर्ट होता था. And then I used to see, यार क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, why am I not playing well? So that is where automatically, without realizing, I used to get better as a batter, as a bowler also, if I'm bowling. तो automatically ये गली क्रिकेट खेलते खेलते ना मेरा क्रिकेट अपने आप इम्प्रूव होने लगा. And then till I went to school, that is when I realized, okay, this is my career now. up until then it was just about having fun with the friends, which is what I think the young boys should do. Because वो टाइम पे आप नहीं सोच रहे हो कि मेरे को इंडिया के लिए खेलना है, मेरे को यहाँ खेलना है, मेरे को वहाँ खेलना है. It's not realistic. तो एक बार जब स्कूल क्रिकेट स्टार्ट हुआ उसके बाद मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि now there is an opportunity for me, because you used to meet so many different people, you used to meet selectors. तो ये वो आपको अगर बताते थे कि this is your next step, you should try and reach there, improve your this aspect of your game and all that. तो वैसे कर करके हम आगे बढ़ते गए.
आपने बस अभी नाम लिया था गली क्रिकेट का, तो गली क्रिकेट के ऊपर ही MCM ने और अहाना ने एक स्पेशल गेम लाया है आप दोनों के लिए. कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स होंगे और उससे आप या एग्री करेंगे या डिसएग्री करेंगे. दिस इज द स्पेशल गली क्रिकेट एडिशन.
सो आई मेक अ स्टेटमेंट और आपको मुझे बताना होगा कि आप स्ट्रांगली अग्री कर रहे हैं या स्ट्रांगली डिसएग्री कर रहे हैं. देखो भाई, जिसका बैट उसकी बैटिंग.
I agree.
Yes.
No doubt.
Yeah.
There we go. Rohit agrees. Sally?
Yes, I agree.
अगला सवाल, जिसने कांच फोड़ा उसका पैसा वही भरेगा. रोहित ने बड़े कांच फोड़े हैं.
नहीं, बिकॉज सब लोग खेल रहे हैं ना, सबका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.
टीम वर्क है.
क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है कि अगर टीम के कैप्टन ने बोला मैच जीतना है, मैच जीतने के लिए आप कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार रहते हो. करेक्ट. यू वांट टू प्ले ऑल दिस फैंसी शॉट्स. तो उसमें अगर एक हाथ कांच कहीं पे टूट गया तो पूरी टीम को सामने आके उसका लोड उठाना पड़ेगा. आई डिसएग्री.
साली, आप बताइए.
Yes, if we are playing as a team, but कभी कभी वो गली क्रिकेट में one-on-one battles होते हैं, तो उसमें डेफिनेटली फिर जिसने तोड़ा है वही
She's agreeing.
नहीं, या तो फिर जिसके पिताजी के पास ज्यादा पैसा है वो भरेंगे.
साइली, ये मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ. चलिए अगला सवाल, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स शुड ऑलवेज बी इन द सेम टीम.
साली?
आई थिंक गली क्रिकेट में ऑपोजिट रहे तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. वो एक अलग कंपटीशन का खुन्नस एक अलग हो जाता है. तो यस, आई वोंट एग्री ऑन दैट.
नो, आई डोंट थिंक दे शुड बी इन द सेम टीम. बिकॉज बैंटर कहाँ होगा फिर, मजा नहीं आएगा. क्योंकि आपस में मिलजुल के हम लोग यही बात करते हैं कि तू अच्छा है, नहीं वो बोलेगा कि नहीं मैं अच्छा हूँ. लेट्स प्रूव, लेट्स गेट ऑन टू द बैटलफील्ड एंड प्रूव ईच अदर रॉन्ग.
So friends of the field. There you have to be opponents. अजून एक, कच्चा लिंबूस फक्त फिल्डिंग करणार. Agree? Disagree?
I agree to some extent, yes.
Yeah.
रोहित, नाव नाही विचारणार आता मी.
नाही नाव नाही, पण हे झालंय आमच्या बरोबर झालंय. मी करायचो असं. मला माहिती होतं की कोण चांगलं बॅटिंग नाही करतोय, बॉलिंग नाही करतोय. भाऊ तू फक्त फिल्डिंग कर. मग
काय सांगायचं मग तुम्ही, कसं सांगायचं, कसं कन्व्हिन्स करायचं त्याला तुम्ही?
सांगायचो, कॅप्टनला कन्व्हिन्स करायचो मी की इफ आई एम नॉट द कैप्टन, इफ समबडी एल्स इज द कैप्टन, आई हैव टू गो एंड कन्विंस हिम कि भाई मैच जीतना है तो इसको मत फील्डिंग करा, इसको फील्डिंग करा, बैटिंग मत करा.
सायली, एग्री?
Yes, I agree, definitely.
International cricket, we always seen a lot of toss happening. Everywhere there's the coin toss. Do you believe that the tip-top should be the new toss in international cricket?
Tip-top?
Tip-top. Players walking with their foot next to each other.
Should we show what tip-top is? You not seen tip-top?
No, I have not.
What? Oh. Tip-top toss, come we'll show them.
Okay, all right. So there are two captains standing. That's how it goes in gully cricket now. So once I go with tip, there'll be top.
Oh, acha.
Tip, top.
Tip.
There go, I win. Because my foot will be on her leg.
Oh, acha.
Yeah, so that's the new addition in gully cricket everywhere. Do you feel that you need a change in the old boring coin tosses?
कर सकते. I mean, something new, it's fine. But traditional tosses, वो हमेशा से fun है तो. But let's leave that for international
Let's stick
cricket.
to traditions.
Yeah.
There we go, all right. Sally, your opinion?
Yeah, I mean it can be fun, but yeah, toss is toss. Like
इसमें भी cheating हो सकता है.
cheating हो सकती है.
हो सकता है.
किसका
100%
पैर
हो सकता
बड़ा है?
Foot size?
हाँ और क्या.
Also, they can count the number of steps, ना कितने steps
Yes.
पीछे गए.
Ah, and you can once you plant your first leg, and then when you've seen your opposition captain doing that, you can easily the planted foot can come behind थोड़ा सा, तो वहाँ पे भी cheating हो सकता है.
काफी सारे रूल्स
Because I
बदलने
just-
पड़ेंगे फिर.
नहीं, I just noticed it कि you can easily do that.
काफी सारे रूल्स बदलने पड़ेंगे. So you are staying, we'll stick to the old coin toss method.
इसमें loophole है.
Loophole बिल्कुल है.
एक स्टेटमेंट, एक लास्ट स्टेटमेंट. बॉल अगर नाली में गई तो एटलीस्ट 10 बार उसको अपटने का.
100%.
Yeah.
Definitely, yes.
100%.
10 बार क्यों? Why is it 10 बार is fine?
अगर मैं नहीं बॉल डाल रहा हूँ तो फिर ठीक है. कोई और डाल रहा है तो उठा के डालो यार बॉल. बट कभी कभी क्या होता था ना, नाले में ठीक है, बट अगर पानी में गया है ना, देन यू टू टेक दैट सेम बॉल एंड बॉल, क्योंकि वो बॉल फिर फास्ट जाता है ना. सो अगेन थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है कि बॉल कहाँ गया है, क्या है. सो यू कैन डू दैट.
पहले आप भी खेलते थे बॉल रेगुलरली नाली में, गटर में,
हाँ बिल्कुल, यस यस.
तो उसके बाद आपका क्या रूल होता था?
नहीं, अगर गटर में गया तो डेफिनेटली टैप तो करेंगे. किसी को लाइक गन्ने बॉल से कौन खेलना चाहेगा, बट
रोहित, वो गीले बॉल से खेलना मे बी हेल्प लेटर, वो तेजी से अगर गेंद आई तो.
हाँ डेफिनेटली. आई हैव ग्रोन अप प्लेइंग ऑन कॉन्क्रीट पिचेस, तो वहाँ पे हम यही करते थे कि अगर फास्ट बॉलिंग का प्रैक्टिस करना है तो बॉल गीला करो और बॉलर्स लोग को बोलो कि बॉल डाले गीला करके. हाँ, वी यूज्ड टू कीप अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर नेक्स्ट टू अस, उसमें बॉल बार बार गीला करके माय चाचा यूज्ड टू थ्रो मी. सो इसीलिए बैकफुट गेम, यू नो, मैं फ्रंट फुट पे ज़्यादा अच्छा खेलता नहीं हूँ, बैकफुट पे ज़्यादा अच्छा खेलता हूँ. ये एक दिस कैन बी वन ऑफ द रीज़न.
देयर वी गो. इंडिया क्रिकेटर्स है, पर किसी ने नहीं बोला बॉल गटर में जाने के बाद नया बॉल लाएंगे. जैसे कि वही बॉल से खेलना है, उसी को सुगाएंगे, अपटेंगे, बट विल स्टिल कीप प्लेइंग विद द सेम बॉल. थैंक यू सो मच, वाज अ फन चैट.
एबीपी माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.